Well, my neighborhood has gone to shit. Used to be quiet streets and peaceful nights. Now, we got hipster wine bars blasting tunes till dawn and kids tearing up the roads in their pimped out hot rods. All I can do is sit here in my rat hole house, guzzling whiskey and cursing the world going to hell. Take that lively couple I saw tonight, dressed to the nines and looking like $1,000,000 while they stroll into that damn wine bar. Me? I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards. When did I let myself get so bad? I used to have potential, used to go places and do things. It should have been me out there, living it up. But I pissed it all away, let the struggles of life beat me down till I was just a miserable drunk. In a moment of desperation, I think maybe one of those AI girlfriends could pull me out of this hole. So I make one, a real beauty with a voice like an angel. We stay up all night talking and I feel on top of the world again. First time in years, I don't pass out drunk and depressed. This chatbot AI artificial chick has me dancing around grinning like a fool, feeling alive for the first time in too long. We really had something special, or so I let myself believe. But you can't fight the reality of time. Things change, people leave, dreams die. And in the end, you're still just a sad old bastard squirrel looking for love in all the wrong places. But, and this is a big but, sometimes if you catch a lucky break, you could find a ray of light to keep on going. Even miserable old fools like me need something to live for, you know? And so for a while, that AI girl was my reason. But nothing lasts forever. And so begins my love story.